Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am teacher Ahmed and today's lesson is about the past continuous for 9th grade module number 1. So let's get started. Okay guys, now let's talk about the forms. The first form is the affirmative. إذا هنا نتحدث عن الشكل أو الأشكال هذه القاعدة، وأول شكل لدينا هو الحالة المثبتة. So here we have subject الفاعل, then the auxiliary verb or helping verb والفعل المساعد, and here we have verb with ing. So the subject is he, she, it, or any singular noun with I. So here we add was. And if the subject is plural, like we, you, they, or any plural nouns, so here we add were with verb ing. And don't forget the full stop. إذا كان الفاعل من الضمائر المفرد أو أي اسم مفرد we add was, and وإذا كان من ضمير I we add was. And here إذا كان الفاعل من ضمائر الجمع أو أي اسمين so we add were with verb ing. Examples: She was watching the match yesterday at 8 a.m. إذا كان الفاعل مفرد like she, so here you add was with verb ing watching. Another one, I was watching the match yesterday at 8 a.m. وإذا كان الفاعل أيضا I we add was with verb ing. They were watching the match yesterday at 8 a.m. وإذا كان الفاعل جمع like they, so we add were with verb ing. Okay guys, now let's move to the question form حالة السؤال. Just here we replace نبدل بين the subject and the auxiliary verb, بين الفاعل والفعل المساعد. So here we add at the beginning the auxiliary verb فعل المساعد or helping verb with subject and verb ing. So here you have was with he, she, it, and I or any singular noun. إذن we add was نضع was مع ضمائر المفرد أو أي اسم مفرد والI. And here we have were with we, you, they, or any plural noun مع ضمائر الجمع أو أي اسم جمع, all of them with verb ing. And don't forget the question mark, ولا ننسى علامة السؤال. So we have examples أمثلة. Was she watching the match? So here the answer is yes or no. So yes, she was, or no, she wasn't. Another example. Were they watching the match? So here we have yes or no question. So yes, they were, or no, they weren't. Now let's move to the W at question. هيا ننتقل إلى W at question. So here we have what, where, when, which, who, and how. So here we have the same form, auxiliary verb, then subject, and verb ing. Just we add the W at question. إذن هنا فقط نضيف في البداية ال WH والذين هم what, where, when, which, who, and how. But here the answer is a full sentence, ولكن هنا الإجابة تكون جملة كاملة. So we have an example. Where were they watching the match? So they were watching the match at home. إذا هنا لدينا إجابة كاملة. Okay guys, now let's move to the negative form, حالة النفي. So we have subject with auxiliary verb, and here just we add not with verb ing. So the subject is he, she, it, or I, or any singular noun. So we add was with not, and we can construct it to wasn't. And if we have we, you, they, or any plural noun, so here we add wearing. So and we can construct it to weren't with verb ing, and we don't forget the full stop. So here I have examples. She wasn't watching the match yesterday at 8 a.m. or they weren't watching the match yesterday at 8 a.m. So here you have wasn't. It is constructed form for was not. And weren't, it is constructed form for were not. Okay guys, now let's move to uses الاستخدامات. So we use the past continuous to show that something happened for a long time in the past. إذا نستخدم الماضي المستمر لإظهار أن هذا الشيء حصل في الماضي ولكن لوقت طويل, for a long time. So you have example. She was studying English yesterday at 9 a.m. So she started at 9 a.m. and she continued until she finished. إذن هي استمرت في الدراسة منذ الساعة 9 بدأت وحتى أنهى دراستها. So here you have keywords, كلمات الدالة. When, while, yesterday or last week or last month, with, a time. Okay guys, now let's move to the exercises for the gaps of these sentences by using the past continuous. Number 1. Ahmed tennis last week at 5 p.m. play. So Ahmed is singular, was playing. Number 2. Sarah filmed with her friends yesterday at 7 p.m. Not watch. So you have a negative not. So Sarah wasn't watching. Number 3. So here I have a question. English study. So were they studying? No, they weren't studying English. Number 4. The boy last night cried. So the boy was crying last night. Number 5. Where were they going last week? So they were going to school. Okay guys, so you have to write them in your notebook. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon. Assalamu alaikum.